Are going to practice in this video is the sound Z. Repeat after me. Z. 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 Z in zap. Again, zap. Zoom. Again, zoom. Zest. Again, zest. Zoner. Again, zoner. Zaira. Again, Zaira. Zambales. Again, Zambales. Zamboanga. Again, Zamboanga. Zero. Again, zero. Zinc. Again, zinc. What other words have initial sound Z? Z in customize. Again, customize. Organize. Again, organize. Realize. Again, realize. Lazy. Again, lazy. Citizen. Again, citizen. Blizzard. Again, blizzard. Globalize. Again, globalize. Wizard. Again, wizard. Buzzer. Again, buzzer. What other words have the middle sound Z? Buzz. Again, buzz. Quiz. Again, quiz. Fritz. Again, Fritz. Clots. Again, clots. Cos. Again, cos. Vries. Again, vries. Bees. Again, bees. Just. Again, just. What other words with the have final sound Z? Now let's practice phrases with the sound Z. Ready? In the Zambales. Again, in the Zambales. Realize the situation. Again, realize the situation. The lazy guy. Again, the lazy guy. At the buzzer. Again, at the buzzer. Now let's practice sentences with the sound Z. Ready? Zaira organized the program. Again, Zaira organized the program. Zambales is a beautiful place. Again, Zambales is a beautiful place. Just customize the people in the basketball court. Just customize the people in the basketball court. All the senior citizens will be seated. Again, all the senior citizens will be seated. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound Z. Repeat after me. Z. 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 I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.